In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to fix LinkedIn login problems. If you're stuck on the sign in screen, don't worry. Most issues come down to a few quick fixes. We'll walk through reliable checks you can do in minutes, and I'll explain why each one helps. Start by confirming your internet connection is solid. Make sure your device is online and pages are loading elsewhere. If your Wi-Fi seems sluggish, switch to a different network or temporarily turn on mobile data. Then reopen LinkedIn and try again. A weak or unstable connection can stop the app from reaching LinkedIn's servers, which often looks like a password problem even when your details are correct. Next, update the LinkedIn app from your device's app store. Search for LinkedIn, and if you see an update button, tap it and let the installation finish completely before you open the app again. App updates frequently include bug fixes that directly target sign-in glitches, crashes, or outdated security components. If the issue persists, restart your phone, hold the power button, choose restart or reboot, and give it a moment to fully power back on. This clears temporary system hiccups, refreshes background services, and often resolves stuck logins without changing any of your settings. Another helpful step is clearing the LinkedIn app cache. Find the LinkedIn icon on your phone, press and hold it, and open App Info. Go to storage or a similar option, then choose Clear Cache. Confirm, close settings, and try logging in again. Clearing cache removes temporary files that may have become corrupted. You're not deleting your account or personal data, you're just giving the app a clean slate to load fresh resources. If none of these work right away, consider that the problem might be on LinkedIn's side. Sometimes the service is under maintenance or experiencing a temporary outage. In that case, the best move is to wait a few hours and try signing in again once things stabilize. Before you wrap up, double check that you're entering the correct email and password, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you still can't get in, use the forgot password option on the login page to reset your credentials safely. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you solve your LinkedIn login issue, please like the video and subscribe for more practical LinkedIn tips and step-by-step guides. If you're watching later and something changed in the app layout, these principles remain the same. Confirm connectivity, keep the app updated, refresh your device, clear cache, and wait out any service outages.